Hey, what's up guys, it's me Luciano X. I'm the creator and artist of the series Fatal Blow. If you're new, that's the introduction. And in today's video, I'll be drawing a little manga. So basically, I'm taking you all behind the scenes of how I draw my pages. So in this video, you'll also be seeing the struggles I'll be facing. I hope you enjoy. So the page that I'm drawing here is part of a little practice chapter that I figured that I should be working on. It's not like it's gonna be published or anything. It's just for me to practice my anatomy of the characters, some line art and type of stuff like that. A little backgrounds here and there. This chapter consists of like 3 pages. It's just a little fun. Comedy skit that some of the main characters are gonna be doing. So like the title of this chapter is the last slice, where one of the characters between Kazuya, Tetsu, Isame ate the last slice of Kai's pizza. So now Kai is freaking out and well, he is fuming. Okay, he is like flaming up, asking who the hell ate his pizza. Okay, so like yeah, now the characters now are acting dumb. Some of them are acting dumb, some didn't do it and stuff like that. And yeah, if you want to read this chapter, let me know down in the comments down below. It's just another fun little skit. 3 pages at most. So when I was drawing this page specifically, my fingers were constantly struggling, and especially my pinky, the one on the right, the one on the right hand side. Yeah, it was dying, bro. Like it was fighting for its life. Like seriously, I didn't even know how to do it. I was thinking of like taking a break though, so that I could heal. But unfortunately, sometimes the camera started falling for some reason. I don't know, because I was used to like for a little while having like what you call this, the thingy where you put your phone for the camera. Yeah, I forgot what it's called. Wow. So yeah, the camera kept falling, so what I used my backpack and some things I could find just to make sure that the camera points out to me. So yeah, I'm just showing you all of this so you guys don't presume, so you can see that how I draw with a phone, you know, so how I'm able to do this. I'm able to do this process. So yeah, the reason I was drawing this chapter is because my writer has been busy for quite some time. Well, he's gonna be back on writing the script again on this Saturday. Yeah, this Saturday. And yeah, I'm looking forward to what he can cook up and some ideas that we can be working on. And so I think in this chapter, in chapter 3, we will be working on what you call this? We'll be working on the entrance exam. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the main focus for chapter 3. But yeah, in the meantime, so I chose to do this chapter, the last slice. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications when I upload absolutely anything. So if you want to know more about the series and stuff like that, make sure you check out my channel. I have some videos talking about the series here and there and how like the power system works, what's the world of Fatal Blow, anything like that. Everything you can check it out on my channel. So like if you're new, I'm Luciano XI, and yeah. So with the duration of this video, I was thinking of like making this I was thinking of making it a challenge, like maybe like put a timer so I could see how long does it take me to like do this page, or if I could put a timer whereas I need to finish this page within a certain time limit. So it kind of felt like it was a challenge, you know. So like I think this page took me about 2 to 3 hours before anything else, because everything that I had to do, like locking in, which is no problem actually. Locking in is no problem for me, meaning I have to like ignore everything else and just focus on the page, which was fine. But again, my pinky has been suffering throughout the process. So the following day, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna finish the little chapter that I'm working on, the last slice. Yeah. So this is page 2 of 3 pages. This chapter consists of like 3 pages. So yeah, I hope so far I am making sense of what I'm doing. I know I'm probably saying some mumbo jumbo here and there. I think I've been saying that since the last video, but yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this far. So, and also like leave a like, yeah, and yeah, if you guys want to like if you have a chance to like chat with me like on live, you can go check out my Twitch. Sometimes, most of the time, live on Saturday. That's like where I'm live most of the time. Or if I'm not live on Saturday, I could be live during the week. Okay, so yeah. You can go check out my Twitch. You can follow me there, and please turn on the notifications there as well, just in case I become live. We can do a lot of stuff. Like you guys, I can answer you guys' questions, and if you have questions and stuff like that, we can have fun on the stream. Like we can all chat and everything like that. If you are interested, I will look forward to chatting with y'all. And yeah, again, welcome everyone who is new to the channel. Really means a lot that people are finally joining in the family. This is what we want. And yeah, I've been drawing this series for quite some time now, and it's been hella fun making this series thus far, with all the hiccups and everything like that. My writer being MIA and me having my own problems because of school. But now it's a June holiday, and I'm finally taking a break. And so with what I do with my time, I just trying to practice some stuff, make some shorts, go live if I have to, then yeah, all that good stuff. Or probably watch some YouTube and stuff like that. Anything that could help me improve on my drawings. If you guys wanna see like my art journey and stuff like that, I have posted a video on my art journey here on my channel. Be sure to check it out. Yeah, I got lots of videos that you guys could check out, So if you want to, you can feel free to do so. And yeah, if I have to say so myself, I have been leveling up quite well and nicely as an artist. The way I view the artworks that I've been working on, with all the manga volumes that I have drawn. I have a short that I have posted not too long ago. You can go check it out if you want. And with all the recent pages, like the one I'm drawing right here, and all the artwork that I've been doing quite this far, I have to say that I have been doing quite a pretty good job. And with you guys supporting me, I think I'll be able to make it as a manga artist, because that has been my dream since I forgot when. But yeah, ever since then, I have been thriving. I have been pushing through all the challenges, everything that has been in my way, I have finally been able to overcome. And with all the challenges that have been rising against me, because there are sometimes things that tend to like come up against me, like stuff happening, technological failures, and all that stuff. Like it's been like not fun for most of the time, and the other times where I can't publish my videos, that's another train smash, cause I pretty much wanna share with you guys the adventures that I'll be having when it comes to drawing manga. But unfortunately, technology and the universe have their own ways of challenging me. So I'm not gonna give up just because technological failures and all that stuff. No, I'm just gonna keep pushing. And yeah, with you guys' support, I'm pretty sure we can make something of this. Cause like I have a pretty big dream, like I wanna be able to print my manga volumes, and I wanna be able to sell them and stuff like that. I want you guys to enjoy the creativity that me and my artists put through, the work that we put through, the blood, the tears, and the sweat that we put behind these pages. Like, I want to also add some sauce, I think after this practice chapter, I'm gonna be drawing another practice chapter where this time I'll be focusing more on combat. That way, the chapters that I'll be drawing that are included in the series that are canon, they can look crisp, adding a little sauce, just a little sauce, making sure everything is nice and tender, Yeah, aside from my fingers most of the time giving up, I could be like taking some time here and there. Like on an honest note, I could finish these chapters like in maybe like 2 to 3 days if I have that consistency, and if I could take frequent breaks. And trust me, I do take breaks, but if I could like be on a comfortable position when it comes to drawing, because drawing with the phone is kind of like a hassle, but it's something that I have to cope with. That way I'll be able to publish some chapters here and there. But if I were to be like draw in a more comfortable way, like on a display and stuff like that, trust me, I could get work done easily. Like, it's not that hard it's not that hard drawing, it's not that hard if you keep practicing and stuff like that. To any young artist, if you keep practicing and anything like that, to anyone who wants to draw or who wants to make a story, be sure you're consistent with your craft, and eventually you'll get a hang right into it. I have made some videos on how to draw manga and stuff like that. If you want, you can check them out, or I could make some more if you guys are interested. I am thinking of like making some tutorials on like how to do certain stuff, like vanishing points, 2-point, 3-point perspective, all that good stuff, and on how to do anatomy, because I have to do that myself also. Alright, I just finished the line art. It took a while, like it really took a while. I'm not sure when I started this, but yeah, like it took a while. So what I'll be doing is I'll be taking a break, okay? So for my break, I decided to have myself some little tea and enjoy it while I take a break. I was also watching some Davante one. He was playing Sonic. And yeah, I'm not sure how long the break took, but I think it took about like 20 to 30 minutes. So yeah, I think so. With that break, I decided to as you saw, I had to take some tea and chill, relax, and enjoy the break while I still had it. The reason was because I wanted to rest the pinky that was dying. Like, I could also feel it, like the numbness, whereas like you start feeling it on your finger, then it suddenly goes up to your forearm and stuff like that. Yeah, I was trying to heal that. So anyways, with all the manga that I'll be doing in the future, I want to continue making up the story and going One Piece level, the way that my writer wants to. I'm also part of the idea of going like One Piece level. I'm not sure if we can make it though, because I don't feel like we're gonna be able to make 1,000 chapters or something like that. But hey, if the story is successful and it comes out the way that we want to, I feel like we could achieve that goal. And I want people to have like fan favorites, and I want people to like enjoy the series as much as we do, as much as we enjoy creating it. Because I want people to have like their own favorite characters here and there and stuff like that. And I also want people to have like characters that want killed, because I am thinking of have like this one character in the series where like he's a rage baiter. Like, he is strong, yes, but he's a rage baiter. Like, imagine this, like he kills a dear comrade of yours, then he starts rage baiting you. Like, now you're getting that feeling of you want this nigga dead. Like, you want this guy dead. Like, anytime you see him, you want him dead. And somehow, the people tend to make him get away with it. Like this. Like, let's say there's that one person that you hate. Like, you just want to punch in the face. Like, he keeps talking schmack. He keeps talking nonsense. Then, all of a sudden, people be like, don't worry, like, it's not worth it, like, it's not worth the risk, you don't have to do it, like, that will literally piss you off, that will literally piss you off. So I am planning to have a character like that. And also there's a big boss that I'm not gonna reveal. And yeah, I think I'm also gonna be focusing more on the villain designs and stuff like that. Like, I want them to have like one color system. And yeah, so for future volumes, I have already like made a cover for volume 1 and cover for volume 2. Volume 1 is almost finished. I'm still waiting on the script. Like I said, my writer is still busy on his own thing. He also has his own life, okay? I was kind of putting pressure on him. I have to say so much. I was kind of putting pressure on him. But yeah, we do learn as people and we do make mistakes. And I want to apologize to my writer if I had put pressure on him, but it's also like a waste of my talents and stuff like that, he also needs to know that we gotta finish stuff fast in order to take a break. So that's what I keep telling him. But again, I am sorry to him with all the stress that I put him through and stuff like that. Y'all can say W awareness. I know. But because we are not on a strict schedule yet, we are trying to focus on the beauty of crafting the story and making sure everything comes out the way that we want. That way you guys can have beautiful line art and beautiful stuff that you can read. Again, the series is available to read on Global Comics. Make sure you check it out. The link is in the description down below. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the notifications for when I upload absolutely anything. So yeah, for volume 3, that's where everything is gonna be heating up. Like most of the time, like kind of like some action that's gonna be taking place here and there. Yeah, we all know how manga works. Yeah, right? Yeah, and also most of the characters will be introduced in the series, and I hope you guys enjoy the series as much as I do. And you please make sure you check out my channel. There are some videos that go through the series and stuff like that. I think I've already said that already. Yeah, and through all of that, the page was done. So like guys, I managed to finish the page. It took a while and it's becoming dark outside. Not sure if you could see, but yeah, I managed to finish the page. Here's the final outcome. Hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really nice to make, and please, to those who made it to the end, I thank you. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on the notifications when I upload absolutely anything. Again, links to anything you could possibly need are in the description down below. Make sure you check that out. This is Luciano XI, and I'm out.